Welcome to the Easy Path Project's Good Money Without College series. Today we'll be talking about 20 of the highest paying jobs you can get without a college degree. These jobs are in demand and provide a way to build a solid career. If you don't want to go to college, just get a good job and get started in your life. Maybe one of these careers is for you. Okay, let's get to the list of the 20 top paying trade school jobs. Don't forget, if you like the video, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Job number 20, welder. A welder's main tasks are joining metal pieces together using handheld welding torches or related equipment. The average hourly pay, $20.87. The top end hourly pay, over $30.37. Job number 19, auto body repairer. The main tasks of an auto body repairer are refinishing or repairing the bodies and structural frames of cars and trucks. The average hourly pay, $21.94, and the top end hourly pay, over $33.98. Job number 18, diesel mechanic. A diesel mechanic's main tasks are troubleshooting and repairing larger vehicles with diesel engines, such as trucks, buses, and in some cases, marine vessels. The average hourly pay is $23.08. The top end hourly pay is over $33.59. Job number 17, HVAC Technician. The main tasks of an HVAC or HVAC Technician are repairing or installing systems for the heating, cooling, and ventilation of buildings. The average pay is $23.81, and the top end hourly pay is over $36.22. Job number 16, construction equipment operator. The main tasks of a construction equipment operator are controlling various kinds of heavy construction machines like front-end loaders, tractors, bulldozers, graders, and derricks. The average hourly pay is $24.95, with the top end hourly pay over $39.56. Job number 15, mobile heavy equipment mechanic. The main tasks of a mobile heavy equipment mechanic are troubleshooting, adjusting, and fixing large mobile equipment used for construction or natural resource extraction, such as bulldozers, road graders, cranes, and conveyor systems. The average hourly pay is $25.18. The top end hourly pay is over $36.23. Job number 14, industrial machinery mechanic. The main tasks of an industrial machinery mechanic are fixing, maintaining, or putting together machines used for industrial processes like manufacturing or oil, gas, or chemical refining and distribution. The average hourly pay is $25.54, and with the top end hourly pay over $37.28. Job number 13, brick mason. The main tasks of a brick mason are constructing or fixing walls or other structures by placing or binding bricks, cinder blocks, structural tiles, or other similar materials. The average hourly pay, $25.67. The top end hourly pay, over $39.81. Job number 12, millwright. The main tasks of a millwright are assembling industrial machines, performing maintenance or repairs on them, and dismantling them when necessary. The average hourly pay, $26.58. The top end hourly pay, over $38.51. Job number 11, commercial diver. The main tasks of a commercial diver are using scuba diving gear and various construction tools to help build, assemble, inspect, or to fix components of large structures underwater. The average hourly pay, $26.57, while the top end hourly pay, over $46.56. Number 10, crane operator. The main tasks of a crane operator include lifting and moving construction materials, manufacturing products, or machinery using mechanical beam and cable equipment. The average hourly pay, $26.78. The top end hourly pay, over $40.53. Job number 9, CNC Machine Tool Programmer. The main tasks of a CNC machine tool programmer are giving instructions to a computer or numerically controlled machinery for making objects like tools, molds, and dies. The average hourly pay, $26.81, and the top end hourly pay, over $39.40. Job number 8, Rotary Drill Operator for the oil and gas industry. The main tasks of a rotary drill operator are extracting oil or natural gas or core samples from underground sources by setting up and using large drilling equipment. The average hourly pay, $27.01. Top end hourly pay, over $40.22. Job number 7, Wind Turbine Technician. The main tasks of a wind turbine technician are installing, inspecting, fixing, and maintaining large wind turbines used for generating electricity. The average hourly pay is $27.25, while the top end hourly pay over $38.54. Job number 6, Plumber, Pipe Fitter, or Steam Fitter. The main tasks of a plumber, pipe fitter, or steam fitter is putting together and installing, adjusting, or repairing pipes and related equipment used for liquid or gas distribution. The average hourly pay, $27.44. The top end hourly pay, over $44.14. Job number 5, Electrician. The main tasks of an electrician are wiring buildings for electrical power, lighting, or communication systems, and maintaining or repairing those systems. The average hourly pay, $27.84. The top end hourly pay, over $44.56. Job number 4, Aircraft Mechanic. The main tasks of an aircraft mechanic are inspecting, repairing, adjusting, or overhauling airplane or helicopter engines and other important systems. The average hourly pay, $30.07, while the top end hourly pay, over $44.27. Job number 3, Boilermaker. A Boilermaker's main tasks are assembling, installing, or fixing very large containers or vessels designed for holding liquids or gases, such as closed vats, steam boilers, and boiler furnaces. The average hourly pay, $30.30. The top end hourly pay, over $41.91. Job number 2, Avionics Technician. The main tasks of an avionics technician are installing, testing, and fixing high-tech equipment used in space vehicles or aircraft for purposes like navigation, radar detection, weather tracking, radio communications, and weapons control. The average hourly pay, $30.60. The top end hourly pay, over $43.94. And now, the one you've been waiting for, the highest average per hour job on this list. Job number 1, Piledriver Operator. The main tasks of a piledriver operator are using large pile driving machines that are mounted on barges, cranes, or skids to hammer long beams of steel, wood, or concrete into the ground as part of a big construction project. The average hourly pay, $30.66. The top end hourly pay, over $48.46. This list is a great example of the well-paying jobs you can get without having to have a college degree. Thanks for watching, and please remember to click the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.